Big B has tweeted saying that he is going to be in hospital longer than expected. Let's go across to Janice Sequeira with more details. Janice, Amitabh Bachchan himself tweeting saying that he may even have to go back to the operation theatre.
Rupali, for those joining us right now, let me actually first read out verbatim what Mr. Bachchan has tweeted on Twitter. What he said exactly is some more tests, more unpronounceable medication and another visit to the operation theatre. Going to be a long stay. In addition to that, he's also tweeted saying, I have no idea how long this will take, but it does look as though it will be long. Thank you for your prayers and love. So there it is, Mr. Bachchan himself tweeting about the fact that he is likely to undergo another surgery. Now, we've been talking to the Seven Hills Hospital and, of course, to Dr. Jayant Barve, who is the Bachchan family doctor, and they aren't being really forthcoming with details. What they have told us that as soon as the Bachchan family is ready to release a statement, an official statement, the hospital authorities will let the media know, will let us know. But for right now, for those joining us, Amitabh Bachchan himself on his Twitter account has tweeted that he is likely to undergo a second surgery. Now, let's recount the details. On Saturday, last Saturday, Mr. Bachchan had been admitted to the Seven Hills Hospital for an abdominal surgery. Now, later that day, Abhishek Bachchan, of course, had come out and said that the surgery was a success and dad's going to be kept under observation for about 24 hours. So we were hoping that Mr. Bachchan would actually be released, discharged from hospital latest by Sunday or Monday. That, of course, has been getting prolonged for the last few days. And now, of course, Mr. Bachchan taking to Twitter to finally announce that he is likely to undergo a second surgery. What the details of that surgery is, we do not know as of right now. We cannot make an official statement on that. But what we have been doing is talking to the hospital authorities, talking to the Bachchan family doctor, that's Dr. Jayant Barve, and they have told us that as soon as they have an official statement from the family, we will know.
Right. What, in fact, Senior Bachchan went through was an abdominal surgery. The fourth one, we believe, because of his stomach ailment. Now, the doctors at that point, Janice, had said that all had gone well. It was a minor surgery and he would be out within days.
Well, that's right, Rupali. Like we said, on Saturday, when he was admitted to hospital, if you remember, at around 9:30 in the morning is when the surgery began. By 12:31, there was a press conference. Abhishek Bachchan himself came out and spoke to the media and said that the surgery was indeed a success and that Mr. Bachchan would be released, possibly by Sunday or Monday latest. That, of course, didn't happen. And for the last 3-4 days, we've been tracking Mr. Bachchan's health condition at the hospital. But today, of course, this evening, Mr. Bachchan taking to Twitter, social networking website, to tweet, and I quote once again, some more tests, more unpronounceable medication and another visit to the OT, the operation theatre. Going to be a long stay. I have no idea how long this will take, but it does look like as though it will be long. Thank you for your prayers and love. Of course, immediately as soon as that happened, we spoke to the hospital authorities, we've spoken to the family doctor, and they haven't made an official statement. But of course, we do know at this point that it is likely that Mr. Bachchan is going to undergo a second operation. When and how, we're going to keep tracking those details. Right.